In this video, we'll walk through how to block capacity in Venue Manager. This feature allows you to temporarily reduce or remove availability without creating a fake booking. It's ideal for maintenance, staff training, or partial closures. To get started, navigate to Bookings, Block Capacity. From here, you'll see every single entry of block capacity in your venue. To add a new entry, select Block Capacity. Select the date in which you would like to block capacity for. Choose the resource that you would like to block. Select the start time, end time, or block the entire day. Then you can block the entire capacity or partially block the capacity. In the notes, you can add why you're blocking this capacity. If you want to edit an existing instance of block capacity, you can do so by selecting the three dot icons and selecting Edit. If you want to see how block capacity is impacting your overall capacity, you can navigate to Daily Capacity. From here, you can see how block capacity is impacting your resources across your day. You can also select an existing block capacity and see what entry is related to that block capacity. You can also select block capacity at the top of the page and create a block capacity entry directly from the Daily Capacity view.